Fitbusybee family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley. I am a mother of 4. I typically do day in the life, cleaning, motivation, fitness, health, pretty much anything to do with being a stay-at-home mom. But today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be cleaning out this big old fridge back here. I needed to do some kitchen and cleaning, and this video is going to be in collaboration with 2 other mommy YouTubers. They are also going to be doing a kitchen cleaning video, so when you get done watching this one, you should head over to their channels. The first mommy YouTuber is Rose. Her YouTube name is Roselle Cardona. Sorry if I'm not saying that right, but she is an awesome mommy YouTuber. She does lifestyle videos, day in the life vlogs, cleaning motivation, organization. She does so many motivational videos. You guys would love her. If you love my content, you would definitely love her. So head over to her channel and give her some love. And the other mommy YouTuber, SELLE. I hope I'm saying that right too. She is another mommy YouTuber. She has 1 little boy and she does organization, decluttering, mommy lifestyle. She does similar content as well. So if you enjoy mine, you will definitely enjoy her YouTube. She is so sweet and motivational. So head over to their YouTubes as soon as you get done watching this video so you can check theirs out. And don't forget to tell them that I sent you there. All right, so let's get into this fridge and see how bad it is before we get started. Good morning, you guys. Here we are taking a look at my messy refrigerator. I have not went through this in probably 3 months, so it is probably gonna be pretty gross. Don't judge me, but we are gonna get it cleaned up. So first I'm gonna start by pulling everything out. I started with the main area first just because Ethan was taking a nap and I wasn't too sure how long I was actually gonna have. So I started with the main area first and then I moved to the door to make sure I had enough time.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you.
And here is how disgusting the inside of my refrigerator is. So I'm going to get the Pine Sol. I have it mixed with some water in the spray bottle and I'm going to be cleaning my refrigerator with that. And I hope you guys all had a very wonderful Easter. I know this year was a little different because we were all quarantined and we probably didn't get to spend it with all the people that we would have, but nonetheless, I hope you guys had a wonderful Easter.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you.
And I ended up having to pull out the glass because underneath the edges there was some sort of brown liquid. So I went ahead and pulled them out so I could clean all the little crevices.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm
This bottom drawer is where I keep my produce, and it is always the dirtiest because of all the little leaves and just everything that falls down to the bottom. So I definitely had to get all the way in there. Back behind the drawer was really gross too. So I had to make sure I got all the little crumbs up.
Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shotty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like. Stop, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If some
Thankfully, Ethan was taking a nice long nap, so I was able to get to the side door as well. And this is probably where it gets the nastiest, just because all these bottles leak, and you know, from the kids like not fully cleaning them off before they put them back in here. We had some rings on the doors, so I definitely had to get in there and scrub all of those off. And then before I put the sauces and stuff back in, I made sure to wipe them down so it wouldn't look like this again.
restless, so give me something to do, yeah. I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shotty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
Oh my gosh, you guys, my fridge needed that so bad. I had so many things that were expired that needed to be thrown out. I am so glad I finally got it done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to go check out Rose and SELLE after this. They are also doing a kitchen decluttering cleaning video. So don't forget to go check them out. Their links are gonna be in the description below. And look at all the stuff that I end up throwing out. Crazy. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.